Hi everyone, this is Mommy Trish and welcome to Mom's Me Time. So, today we will be unboxing our mini foldable laptop computer table. So, come on and samahan niyo akong mag-unbox. Let's unbox it. Come on. So, I'm holding now my magical scissor. So we'll try to unbox it and see what's inside the box. What kind of computer, what kind of foldable computer table. So this one I got it for only $10. $10 Singapore dollars, or equivalent to 350 pesos. So it's only for, come on, let's unbox it. So ito na. Actually, this is my favorite color, the dark one. So come on, let's unbox it. So it's very affordable, and I got this for free shipping. Imagine, for 350 pesos. You already have a very durable and portable laptop table, foldable laptop table. So ganito siya. So let's try it. Let's try to out. Let's try to set this aside, and we'll see quality. So this is my foldable laptop. So natin ang aking mini portable laptop table. So ganito lang siya kaliit. See? This is the front. This is the front. As you can see, it's very smooth. It's very smooth. This one you can put your tablet or smartphone. And this one is a handle if you want to carry it kung saan mo gusto. So it's very foldable. This is very portable. And this one also have a coaster. This one will have a coaster for your cup or mug if you want to drink coffee while doing your work or studying. So this one is good for everyone. Also, I think since this is this small, your kids can also play here. See, let's try it now. So ganyan siya kalaki. It's wider. You can also eat here. It's wider. I'll stretch my my feet. So ganyan siya. So while relaxing yourself, or if you just want to read a book, you can put your hand here and your book here. Or if you want to read something on your tablet, you can put your tablet here. Let's try to get a tablet later, okay? And meron siyang, there's a compartment. Okay, I forgot to show you this the bottom. As you can see, this is the bottom. The quality is quite good. And smooth. Very pulitong-pulido yung paggawa niya. So very sweet siya. Ito ay sobrang good buy na talaga siya, guys. See? Meron pa siyang foam here on the edges, so hindi siya masakit makatama. So, and meron siyang small compartment on the side, here on the side. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mobile phone. See? Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mobile phone or any ball pen, small notebook, or anything useful, or anything that you can use during your work or studying. See? Sa halagang 350 pesos, meron ka ng napakagandang foldable computer table. See? Kung i-fold mo siya, ganyan siya. It's very easy. And very light. Hindi siya ganun. Tama lang yung bigat. The weight is just fine. It's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. And it's not that very light as well. So it's medium weight. And I think the wood is a bit thicker. See the wood. It's very thick. And I think and the color, I love the color of this one. It's darker. And there's a line. And shiny as well. It's very shiny. So guys, this is really a good buy. So you can put it on your bed when you're on your bed. You can put it on your bed and put your laptop. So come on, let's get some gadgets to try it on. Okay, so guys, let's try to use let's see how spacious this table is. So I have here my tablet, and let's see kung there's a stand here. Let's try it out. Okay, if it's effective. Oh, see, wow, it can hold my tablet. I think 10 inches. It can hold at least 10 inches tablet. It can hold your tablet, but at least it should be much thicker. I think so. It's best for a thicker one. It can fit here. And if you have your laptop, see, ganito siya kalaki. So it's a bit spacious. This is my 13.5 laptop. It's my MacBook Air laptop. See? So, sulit naman yung space niya. So, if you want to drink your coffee, if you want to drink your coffee as well, you can put it here on the automatic coaster. So, this is anti-spill. But don't push the cup, okay? See? This one can hold your mug in place. And if you want to put your cell phone here, you can also do it, or keep some small items here, important items. And there's also space para sa mouse. If you want to use a mouse, you can put it here on the side. I think this one can hold until even the 15 inches. I think it can still hold. Yes, until 15 inches. It's also good. And there's a space for your mouse if you want to use a mouse. So sulit na sulit talaga siya. For me, it's very worth it. For me, it's very worth it for the price of $10, 10 Singapore dollars. Or if you convert it to peso, it's 350 pesos, free shipping. Because I bought this one in Shopee. Shopee. I bought this one on Shopee. And I also used coins, at least $5 coins. So I lessened the price. The original price is around $15. Less $5, so $10. So yan. So I hope guys you have liked my video. Let me show you the table up close. Okay, come on, I'll show it to you up close. I'll show you the close up now computer table. See? So ito yung handle niya, ito ang kanyang stand. Coaster. Stand ng tablet or phone. If you want to stand your phone or tablet. Ito yung compartment niya. Slide. Plastic. Made of plastic. But it's thick. So makapal siya. Sturdy since very thick yung stand niya. And the screw is quite nice. So it can hold a heavy load. Just don't sit, ha. Wag lang upuan. Okay. So bili na. Murang-mura lang. At very presentable and classy. For me, very classy yung design niya for me. Smooth and shiny. Very formal siyang tignan. Okay. So here's the close-up of the foldable computer table. Hi guys, I hope you did like my unboxing video of this mini foldable computer table. So if you are planning to buy, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. I hope I did help you find a good quality computer foldable table. See, this one have handle na, and it can save space as well. If you want to save space, and you can put it anywhere you like. If you want to work or study on the floor or on your bed, you can use this. This is very useful. Your kids also can use this if they are studying at home, distance learning. Okay din siya for kids, or if your kids want to play here, for example, they want to play ng tea time. Your kids can also play with this computer table. Actually, it's very useful talaga. Napaka-useful niya and napakamura lang yan talaga. So, for me, it's a good buy. Sobrang happy ako sa computer table na to. And I'm so excited to try it out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like my videos. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like this video, share, and you can follow me for updates by subscribing to Mom's Me Time. And don't forget to click the bell. Ching, 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 ching. Ching. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it and hope you enjoyed it. Sana abangan niyo pa ang aking susunod na mga videos. Bye. Also, if you have questions, You can also leave a comment on this video, okay? If you want to ask kung saan ko nabili, I can give you the link of the shop. Okay? Bye-bye! Bye! Thanks for watching and good night, good day to everyone.